Hello. Hi, good evening. So I'm doing this live, I think almost after a year or so, and I thought it's a good way to connect with my community. It's easier. Hello. Hi, Himanshi. Hi, Pooja. So we are here. I'm trying to do this little mini live session and I'm trying to do it more often. So इस सेशन में what I can do is I can share few quick tips, few massages that are good for beginners. If you are new to face yoga, you have any questions, you have any doubts, I can do clear that out, and I can give you few massages that you can follow very easily, and that will help you start your face yoga journey in a very simple way. So no movements which are very difficult, very simple, easy to do massages that you can easily add on in your skincare routine, right? So it will be a quick 10-minute session, so let's join in sooner and let's get started with it. So today I thought of focusing. I did do a QA that says कि आप मुझे अपने ऑप्शंस बताओ, हम क्या टॉपिक शुरू कर सकते हैं. सो a lot of you said forehead, and I also thought कि yes, let's start with forehead, and I'll do a couple of lives more regular where we will cover the entire face. So let's start with forehead today. मेजर इश्यूज आते हैं फोरहेड में आपकी फाइन लाइंस विच आर दी हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइंस, एंड देयर इज 11 लाइंस दैट कम्स वेरी अर्ली ऑन, बिकॉज हम ये पार्ट ऑफ द फेस बहुत यूज़ करते हैं. वी आर फ्राउनिंग व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग और व्हेन वी आर डूइंग समथिंग. ये बहुत नेचुरली लोग फ्राउन करते हैं, जिससे 11 लाइंस आने लग जाती हैं बहुत जल्दी. सो वी कैन गेट अवे विद it sooner. As they start appearing with massages, you can easily get away with these. So let's quickly get started. I am using a oil based serum from Organity, which is Rasa. It's a very good serum, oil based serum. It's always important to moisturize your face well when you do face yoga. You don't want to use something that dries out on your face easily, ताकि आपकी movement restrict ना हो. When you do it on a dry skin, आपको rashes आने के, skin irritation होने के बहुत chances होते हैं. You can damage the muscle, the skin more अगर आप बहुत ड्राई स्किन पे कर रहे हो स्पेशली, राइट. सो आइडली यूज़ अ फेस ऑयल. कोई हेयर ऑयल यूज़ नहीं करना. मैं बहुत वीडियोस देखती हूँ, लोग कोकोनट ऑयल से, स्पेशली पैराशूट कोकोनट ऑयल से फेस मसाजेस कर रहे हैं. प्लीज स्टॉप डूइंग दैट. इट्स नॉट गुड फॉर योर फेस. अगर आपको फेस पे यूज़ करना है तो ट्राई यूजिंग एनी कोल्ड प्रेस और ऑर्गेनिक फेशियल ऑयल्स जो आपके स्किन को सूट करते हैं. कुमकुमादी यूजुअली सूट्स ऑल स्किन टाइप्स. देन देर इज रोज हिप जो बहुत लाइट वेट होता है. देन यू कैन यूज आलमंड ऑयल ऑन योर फेस. देन यू कैन यूज टी ट्री और नीम अगर आपको एक्ने इश्यूज हैं. एंड दीज सीरम्स आर ऑल्सो वेरी गुड. आई कैन टैग इट बिलो वंस आई पोस्ट दिस लाइव. सो दीज आर रियली नाइस फॉर एंटी एजिंग. दे आर सीरम्स विच आर नॉट वाटर बेस्ड. सो आपको वाटर बेस्ड सीरम्स भी नहीं यूज करने, बिकॉज दैट ऑल्सो अब्जॉर्ब वेरी क्विकली. सो आपको ऑयल बेस्ड सीरम्स यूज करने हैं. आपको एलोवेरा जेल नहीं यूज करना है. दे ऑल्सो ड्राई आउट वेरी इजिली. इन केस आपको ऑयल्स बिल्कुल सूट नहीं करते, आप अपने नॉर्मल मॉइस्चराइजर से भी कर सकते हो. बट ताकि आपको ड्राई फील ना हो. सॉरी, देयर वाज अ कॉल. सो आपको ड्राई फील ना हो, आप उसको रीअप्लाई करते रहो, एंड दैट विल हेल्प यू इन डूइंग योर face yoga easily, right? So let's quickly start. So I'm taking a little bit of oil on my face. The first tip that I can give you is always activate your oil, especially on your face, on your hand, so that the ingredients are active, and when you put it on your face, they absorb better, they work better, and they seep in into the skin much better, right? So right now I'm just applying it on the forehead because आज हम सिर्फ forehead करने वाले हैं. Make sure your face is always clean, no makeup on when you do face yoga, right? And आपका posture correct होना चाहिए. So let's start quickly by just tapping on your forehead. This tapping motion really help in activating your blood flow. It helps in activating and a warm up for your muscles like you do for your body. Warm up is very important before any massage or exercise. So that's what we are doing for the face. So you do this tapping for 30 to 60 seconds so that you increase the blood flow in the area you're doing. You can do the tapping all over the face also when you're applying your your skincare. You can do this at every step. Now this will help to boost collagen levels as well. This will help to improve the blood flow. This will help with pigmentation issues. किसी को भी pigmentation issue है, this tapping will really help to cut it down. Acne issues hai, it will reduce acne as well. Now follow it up with a pinching massage. Again, a very good Korean skincare tip is pinching. This really works on pigmentation. This really works in boosting the collagen production and also to give a nice glow to your face. So do this for again 30 to 60 seconds. All the warm-up exercises are to be done for 30 to 60 seconds, right? So just pinch nicely all over your forehead. Right now just covering the forehead. Once I get used to these live sessions, we can do a complete face as well. Yes, I have used the Rasa serum from Organity. I will tag this page. They are very good serums for anti-aging. Really nice. मेरी बहुत सेंसिटिव स्किन है और बहुत एक्ने प्रोन स्किन है. So this has really worked wonders on me. So किसी की भी sensitive skin है, they can use. Now that I'm nicely activated my forehead muscles and I've activated my skin, nice blood flow is there. Let's start with the first massage. Now this will help in again the fine lines that starts appearing on our forehead. So we take off our hand. We are going to swipe from one side to another like this, from left to right. Again, I see a lot of videos where people are massaging the forehead like this. I somehow feel your facial muscles should always be pushed upwards and outwards, and that's how it's supposed to be, because you need to lift them. When you're doing this movement, you are drooping down your eyebrows. Eventually it will droop down your eyes and so on. So always make sure your movements is outward and upward. So we're going like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6, get into the hairline, 7 8 9 10. Release and relax. So full flat face, go outwards and upwards. Go into the hairline. Don't be lazy to leave it in between. One more time. Let's do 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Last one, get into the hairline and release. Right, so this will help really good for your fine lines on the forehead. It will also help in giving a nice glow to the forehead अगर आपको pigmentation issues हैं. Another massage that will again help with your fine lines is keep your fingers in the center like this. Move again. Please don't bring your hands down. Go upwards and outwards. 1 2 3 4. I hope you're following along, because you will feel really nice after this session. Very relaxed. You will sleep better also. So forehead massages are again very good for people जिनको sleeping disorders हैं, जिनको insomnia है, hypertension है, migraine issues हैं, very frequently they get headaches. ये बहुत अच्छी massages है. It will calm down your frontalis, it will calm down your nervous system, और आप बहुत अच्छे से सोओगे. If your sleep pattern improves, आपकी health, skin automatically improve करने लग जाती है, right? Sorry, I stopped in between. 2 3 4. Again upwards and outwards. 7 8 9 and 10. Get into the hairline and release. Again आप ये सारी massages 10 counts में कर सकते हो in 3 sets if you are a beginner. Otherwise you can club it to 30 steps, 30 counts at one go, right? अब हमें करनी है थोड़ी lifting also, because if the forehead starts to come down, obviously gravity के चक्कर में तो आपकी eyebrows नीचे आएंगी, eyes नीचे आएंगी, पूरा face नीचे ढलकता है. So उसको get rid of your droopiness on the face, और face lift चाहिए. We start with the forehead. So we'll start from one side, again going all the way up till your hairline. I'm going to include my eyebrows because मुझे अपने eyebrows भी lift करने हैं. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go all the way up in your hairline and release. Don't leave it in between. Go all the way up, right? So start from this side now. Go up. Ten counts of each massage will really help. And relax. So this lifted my eyebrow. This will help with my droopiness under the eyebrow, loose skin under the eyebrows. और अगर forehead नीचे आ रहा है उसमें भी help करेगा. Now last massage that I will be sharing today is for your 11 lines. एक तो now that I'm sharing this information and you are here on this live, try to keep your face as relaxed as possible. अब आप जितने expressions बनाओगे, जब आप हंस रहे हो, बोल रहे हो, गुस्सा कर रहे हो, उस टाइम पे इट्स फाइन बिकॉज दैट्स द नेचुरल वे ऑफ हाउ योर फेस विल रिएक्ट. बट जब आप नॉर्मली कुछ कर रहे हो, you don't have to stress your muscles. The more the muscles are stressed, the more the muscles are used, the more fine lines it causes. और ये सबसे ज़्यादा यूज़ होता है. और एक हमारा माउथ एरिया सबसे ज़्यादा यूज़ होता है जब हम कोई काम कर रहे होते हैं या हम जनरल फ़ोन देख रहे हैं, टीवी देख रहे हैं. वी फील हम बहुत स्ट्रेस्ड रखते हैं अपने मसल्स को. सो रिलैक्स रखना है ताकि फाइन लाइन्स कम पड़े. अब ये आ गई आपकी 11th लाइन. विल स्टार्ट विद जस्ट जेंटली मसाजिंग विद दीज 2 fingers upwards. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again go till your hairline. 8, 9, 10. Go all the way up and release. 2 sets में करो, 3 sets में करो, 10 counts each. Yes, we will cover a lot of parts of the face, dark circles, smile lines, everything we will cover. Each live will have a different part of the face that I will be covering. Today we are doing the forehead. I will mention the oil that I have used. Go all the way up and release. So this will really work on your 11 lines, right? Next is there is a temple point, acupressure point here, which is on your temples. So we are going to do this massage again so that you sleep better at night. अब ये same process जो हमने अभी करा है, होप आपको ये 3 massages याद रहे. मैं अभी recap देती हूँ फटाफट quickly. ये आप सोने से पहले भी करना and see how well you feel, how calm you feel before bedtime, and you will sleep really really nicely. Of course एक दिन में magic नहीं होगा, but you will do this couple of days and you will see a lot of difference in your sleep pattern as well. All right, yes, I will share this one that I am using right now. I will post this live as well. I will tag this one, and it's a really nice face serum. It's an oil based serum, so it's perfect for your massages. It's perfect for your face yoga routines. And also when you do your face yoga with face oils or any oil based serum, please apna face after you are done with your massages, wash it off. You don't need any excess oil on your face. You just need to take the excess away and put your moisturizer on and lock it all in. You just need okay, so there was a glitch. Yeah, right. So there are temple points, and we are going to do the acupressure point massage. So for this, what you need to do is you close your eyes, take your attention to the temple points, which is here, using these 2 fingers because they are connected to your nervous system. We are going to press it for 10 counts, then we massage for 10 counts, 3 counts clock and 3 counts anti-clockwise, right? So close your eyes, press the fingers on the temples, hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now massage clockwise 3 times and release. So you can do this in 3 sets again. जब आप repeat करोगे अगर रात को, if you are going to do this again. Mostly we will be doing these live session at this time only, 6 o'clock, maybe sometimes 6:37. I will be posting it on my stories in the morning whenever I'll try to do it every Tuesday. Let's make it a habit of doing it every Tuesday for 10 or 15 minutes. Today we have covered forehead. So the first massage I showed was swipes left to right with full hand on your forehead, always going upwards into the hairline, not bringing them down. Right, next is for your lifting. Start from one corner again, go till your hairline, include your eyebrows, frown lines, go all the way up and release after 10 counts. Right, next one is keeping the fingers in the center, move upwards and outwards, again 10 counts. This is for your frown 11 lines. This is for the lifting. This will help with pigmentation issues as well. Now for your 11 lines and frown lines, you are going to just massage with the two fingers upwards. And release after 10 counts. Always putting gentle pressure because आपके facial muscles बहुत sensitive होते हैं. You always need to put gentle pressure. इतना pressure कि आपको लगे that you're doing something, but इतना नहीं that your muscles start feeling stressed or hurt. So gentle pressure, right? Now the last one is your temple point massage. Again, close your eyes, press and hold for 10 counts. Then you massage clockwise 3 times, anti-clockwise 3 times, and release. Now rubbing your hands, warm it up. जितनी इम्पॉर्टेंट एक्सरसाइज करना है मसल्स के लिए उतना ही इम्पॉर्टेंट उन्हें रिलैक्स करवाना भी है. सो यू जस्ट प्रेस मसाज योर हैंड्स, warm it up. Now place your warm hands on your forehead to relax your forehead muscles. One more time. Feel the warmth. Now one last time, rub it. Now place it on your face. Now feel the warmth and the darkness of your hands, relaxing your face, your muscles, your nervous system. Slowly open your eyes with a big, bright, beautiful smile of yours. Right, so you can repeat the same process before bedtime, especially if you have any sleep disorder, if you are an overthinker, if you feel that आपको बहुत अच्छे से नींद नहीं आती है, sound sleep नहीं आती है, hypertension है, migraine issues हैं, headaches बहुत frequently होते हैं. Add forehead massages to your routine. It just take 5 minutes once you are habitual of it. Once it comes into your routine, सिर्फ 5 minutes लगते हैं and you can do these massages and see the difference on your face also, in your sleep also. So we will do the next live session I think on Tuesday again, same time, and we can definitely cover eyes in that. I will still post it on my stories, so stay tuned. I will be posting this live also on my feed, so any doubts and questions you have, you can ask me in the comment section. I will mention the serum that I have used in this session, and you can also try this one and see how it works for you. So thank you so much for joining in, and have a great evening ahead. Sleep well. I will see you in the next live session. Bye bye.